Guys, today in this video gonna to show you how to type $sign currency symbol in MS Word. So guys, if you want to $sign currency symbol in type in Word, so very easy. Firstly click on insert. After click on symbol, click on more symbol, type character code 0024. After click on insert, click on close. That is. So guys, this is very easy and simple method. If you want to type this symbol in MS Word, first click on insert. After click on symbol, click on more symbol, type character code 0024. Click on insert, click on close. That is. In the other way, in keyboard, so control 4, that is. Control key plus 4 key, that is. So guys, this is very easy and simple method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.